Things are happening in this country. Watch this.
Now, for the record, Verydarkman, come on. You are the biggest among the biggest. Your opinion, now they put many people for talk since yesterday. Nigerians, come on, come and see. Person make part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 8, part 100. Only 2 videos Verydarkman make. Internet just scatter. Now, once we hear, I'm done. Koyo, well done. You don't understand. Mr. P now go to say, now I love our pass. You go to say now I love our pass. We be like so we don't support and since we never even hear one side of the story. We never even know what happen. We just support them. We be bad person. We are the evil ones. We should be taken to the evil forest. May they carry us go to for evil forest. Now what you are supposed to tell Mr. P be that? You don't understand. You don't know that as you are supporting him now, you don't love our past me. We don't support her whenever we hear the whole side of the story. You are supporting him now because of emotions. But we don't support our since we don't use the music, we don't stream the music. Even when the people say, I play Mr. P, this Mr. P, so I play one of his songs. I don't really bad with this guy. I don't like the way they sing. Now that dance is a bit not be the dance, I don't say the song sweet. If you see the way I shown the person, if you see what I call they break other people where somebody point and say that this guy still here. Now because of this guy, you see this the first one I do so, I don't do one before. I've done it before. Go and check my page. If you can provide any rude boy song for me, bring it out. I want to see. But you see this case, so this part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 4, part 5, part 100, when you do so, when you know point where you did do wrong, say, when they do me this thing, I vex, do this thing, I do this thing, I do this thing. So you didn't do anything, you are the good person, you did not do anything. Then you were waiting for this particular time, so that when you talk, you'll bring them down. No, we don't do that here. You don't understand? When our brothers all of an be, we did not love you because of you. We did not love you, we love you because of P Square. We love you because you people were P Square. We did not love you because of Jude. So you, what in the first place, when this matter starts, where you did? Why you not cry out when the matter really starts? More trash at that time. Why you not cry out? Why listen now? Why now? And Nigerians, as soon as they contribute, as soon as they say, may Verydarkman supposed to support Peter. May support you. So, as you don't hear for the two of them, for
Upload your products and services on findamnow.com. Download the app on Google Play Store or App Store, or go to findamnow.com. Upload your goods and services, your products, so that you'll be selling. Also, anything that you want, go and search for it in findamnow.com.
When I don't finish with the insults, because throughout yesterday, I see a lot of people insulting me, different content creators, they don't put us together. Everybody just they make video. Verydarkman, yeah. Verydarkman, you are evil. Lord will punish you. They don't pay you. You know what I remembered? I remember 2023 during the time of Mobile when I gave my opinion and everybody called me evil, that I was paid. Till today, my opinion is still what stands. Yours never stood. Till today. That DNA when I talk about now, I still hold that case today. If not justice, there will be no investigation currently going on. I'm not your mate when I talk. Shut up and listen to me. Do you understand? And this is why I'm very proud and egotistic, because I know what I say stand and when people say don't count. Do you understand? That's number one. Number two, do you know what I am on this media? I am the conscience of this social media in Nigeria. Take it or leave it. That is what I am. I am the conscience. I am that one that's, the way people say you want to do something, you say, my conscience can't tell me. My conscience judge me. Conscience, they judge me. Now me be that conscience. So when people are moving towards one direction, I am the conscience that will say, no, we need to check. It's going to hurt you, of course. Nigerians, people like bandwagon, people like crowd mentality. I am that conscience that says, you have to look like this as well. You cannot just all move like a herd and go like that. Do you understand? So when people are talking blah, 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 insulting and making noise, it doesn't do me shit. Listen, so I don't move me. What I say stands. Well, if you put all your voices together, it doesn't count. That's why it's just my opinion. Everybody been making opinions. Different content creators have spoken. Jude is a devil, Paul is a witch, everybody is a this. I just came with one. Just one opinion. It took one opinion to scatter the whole thing that has been going on. It's simple. Now that you all know that my opinion matters, let's start looking towards my opinion. Like I said, what I say counts, what people say don't count. Now, we go back again. Before I came on this media, people don't fact check things. This is the time of fact checking. Before you go just talk, you will go, right? First fact checking, right? I saw this post that involved me, right? The person said that Peter said they saw hundreds of thousands of dollars that is meant for Cynthia Morgan, right? And that, but Jude lied to Verydarkman. We are going to fact check that, right? Anything what I like when I talk, I'll cry from now to tomorrow. What I say is what you do. Do you understand? So shut up, you guys. Now, this is what's going to happen.
Upload your products and services on findandnow.com. so that people go they buy from you plenty.
When you look at Okpebholo, you would think that that's the only problem Edo has at the moment. And I'm not even sure Okpebholo's personal problem is even more compared to what the Edo Central Senatorial District is having. So Okpebholo, upon his election as governor of Edo State, left the Nigerian Senate, the Red Chambers, and then of course he nominated somebody that is regarded today as a sleeping senator. His name is Joseph Ikpia, and he's representing the good people of Edo Central Senatorial District at the National Assembly, the Senate particularly. And it's been funny, apart from a time he was reported in the news to have empowered some women in the Senatorial District with some digital, modern, technological wrappers that they say maybe will be bulletproof and all of that. It's also been seen in some ways to being made jest of as someone that was one of the few senators who is here to move any motion or do anything. The last time a couple of persons were not happy and proud of his time in the Senate, they went to visit him and ask him what was happening. Joseph Ikpia said that it was the budget that was the problem, that it was running and Okpebholo's led, and it was ending Okpebholo's time at the Senate, and he's been having issues with the budget. And one time he was able to attract a foreign directive, federal government present, where they made perimeter fencing for a public primary school. I think that's a few things that has been recorded to his name. And it bothers me that the Edo Central people have allowed someone like this to remain. And when I saw that Mr. John Yakubu, Honorable John Yakubu, which to me, I regard him as the best local government chairman. I've done a couple of videos expressing I've done a couple of videos to showcase who John Yakubu is. And the last time during the Edo Guba election, I had moved personally for him to have been given the ticket of his party, because if there is a local government chairman, this is by all standard across Nigeria that has worked tirelessly. And I think he's regarded as the best local government chairman that I know of. And if there's a local government chairman anywhere that has put in the level of work, coupled the level of fight that he fought to stay put and deliver good to these people, I think he deserves it. And now that he's been given the ticket, I think one of the things that I listened to Shomule a couple of weeks ago, and he was talking about the Bini, Auchi, Okene, Abuja Express. And I say, if we
Download Find Them now so that you can upload your products and services so that people go they buy from you steady. Findamnow.com. Go there now, upload your products and services.
Now, for the record, I'm a Ratelo, but I have my opinion. I'm a Ratelo, but this way very dark man do say, I don't support him. If you keep quiet, if you don't talk anything, like I say now, when I give her a platform, everybody gets their own opinion. When very dark man decide to put your own opinion now, your own opinion is very, very wrong. I don't know why his own opinion is paining all of you. His own opinion now, you are not disappointed in his own opinion. But when you give your own opinion, you don't carry camera and tell when I say disappoint for our own opinion, no. He always said, "Mona try here from everybody's side," and they talk from what he use the IC, and they will talk with evidence. There were video proof for saying and Mr. PC and the Coco PC proof there to show everything very dark man they talk. You know they lie. Fino never come back and say very dark man a lie, yo, and they lie. That lie very dark man. They lie. Me cannot see you. We not talk anything like that. The Jew never come and say in the lie very dark man the lie. Even the Mr. Peter himself never come say that lie. He not tell very dark man anything. He never come and say when I say he not tell very dark man anything. Are you people that daft? Are you daft? You'll be using emotion to judge cases. I'll be looking at you people. Who they watch this? I don't care what they official and they support very dark, but that's your business. There's no way when I come back and tell you one day say and I want to support your papa. I have always said it on this app. I only support very dark man. And this I'm not just supporting it because I'm supporting it because I understand that he's building a different mindset about Nigerians. Nigerians feel like emotions. People don't want to think. You want to think because this person support. Large number of people are supporting this team. I've been saying that we hate Mr. P pass. We don't love Mr. P. But at least this people way they condemn like this. So since your brother they talk, so when you not talk since now when you talk is not bad. But the way Nigerians are twisting it now. When very dark man don't talk one day and say, Peter is wrong, Peter is lying. No. Very dark man say all of this thing a family matter. Everybody gets your kinu for body. The way you people are doing it now, you people are not doing it in a way to bring that together as family again. The one that they don't, I won't create everlasting enemy for them. And very dark man says, since I have a very strong voice, I will not allow that to happen. When you play there for everybody, yes, from there you cannot say you don't do where you this one, what you do so no good. This one, what you do no good. Brother, what you do no good. We'll do it that way. All of them now opportunity, including single mothers. One another say that person for mobile case.
Download Find Them now and upload your products and your services so that people can easily see them and buy from you. Also, anything that you're looking for, go to findamnow.com. You will see it there. Download the app from App Store and Google Play Store.